Hello everyone, welcome back to Econ Arctic. Today we are going to discuss Indian economist theory, book and his contribution. So let's begin with pre-independence era. First economist Dada Bhai Nauroji. He is also known as Grand Old Man of India. One of the most important theory is given by Dada Bhai Nauroji, that is drain of wealth. In this theory, he argued that Britain systematically drained India's wealth through home charges, unfair trade, salaries to British officials, and interest on debt. His book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India is published in year 1901. His contribution is first systematic estimate of India's national income, pioneer of economic nationalism. Second economist Mahadev Govind Ranade. He is also known as the father of Indian economics. His theory advocated state intervention for industrialization, reject laissez-faire as unsuitable for a colonial underdeveloped economy. His book Essay on Indian Economics, published in year 1898, his contribution founded the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, historical inductive approach to Indian economic problems. Next economist Ramesh Chandran Dutt. Theory critiqued British land revenue and trade policy as causes of Indian poverty and famines. His book The Economic History of India and his contribution documented the economic impact of colonial rule using official data. Next, change the era, planning and development economics. P.C. Mahalovis theory, Mahalovis model, two sector growth model, prioritizing heavy industry capital goods as the basis of second 5-year plan from 1956 to 61. He is also Mahalovis distance in statistics. His contribution, he is the founded the Indian Statistical Institute ISI Kolkata and architect of National Sample Survey NSSO. Next, V.K.R.V. Rao, his contribution pioneered of national income estimation in India. He is the founded the Delhi School of Economics and Institute for Social and Economic Change, Bengaluru. Next economist Jagdish Bhagwati, his theory of emerging growth, strong advocate of free trade and export led growth over import substitution. His book In Defense of Globalization, India is Transition, his contribution, major contributor to international trade theory, associate with the pro-reform school, consistent with the Amritian redistribution first approach. Next, Manmohan Singh is the PM and RBI governor also, and he is finance minister. So this man aura is undefined. Contribution as a finance minister, architect of the 1991 economic liberalization, reform LPG liberalization, privatization and globalization. Later, he is Prime Minister of India from 2004 to 2014. Raj Krishna theory coined the term Hindu rate of growth to describe India's slow 3.5% average growth rate from 1950s to 1980. Now change the era. Welfare economics and Nobel laureates. Amartya a Nobel Prize winner in year 1998. His theory, social choice theory, capability approach, entitlement theory of famines, and his book Poverty and Famine in year 1981, Development as Freedom 1999, The India of Justice 2009, and Collective Choice and Social Welfare. Contribution is extended Arrow's impossibility theorem, linked development to expansion of human freedom capability rather than GDP alone. Next, Abhijit Banerjee and Esther Duflo. His theory pioneered randomized controlled trials in development economics to test anti-poverty intervention. Book is Poor Economist 2011. Contributions shared the novel with Michael Kremer for their experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. Next, agriculture and rural economy. M.S. Swaminathan, known as the father of Green Revolution in India, his contribution is introduce a high-yielding variety seeds, especially wheat, chaired the National Commission on Farmers. Next economist B.S. Minhas from Poverty and Inequality Measurement. His contribution early methodology for estimating India's poverty line based on calorie norms. Next economist Suresh Tendulkar. His contribution headed the Tendulkar Committee 2009 and which revised the poverty line methodology to include health and education expenditure, not just calorie intake. C. Rangarajan, his contribution headed the Rangarajan Committee 2014 on poverty estimation, former governor of RBI, work on monetary policy and financial reform. Next, contemporary economist Raghuram Rajan, field financial economist, banking crisis, book Fault Lines, warned the cause behind the 2008 crisis, the third pillar. Contribution former RBI governor from 2013 to 16 and former chief economist of IMF. Kaushik Basu, field game theory, development and law and economics. His contribution former chief economic advisor of government of India, former chief economist at World Bank. Arvind Pangadia, field international trade and development. His contribution first vice chairman of Niti Aayog, pro market, pro growth school often paired with Bhagwati. Next, statistics and econometrics. C.R. Rao, Kramer Rao bound lower bound on variance of unbiased estimators. Rao Blackwell theorem contribution foundational figure in 20th century statistical theory underlying model econometrics. PC Mahalanobis recap है statistical contribution Mahalanobis distance, a multivariate distance measure founded NSSO for large scale sample survey. So here is the complete table of all economists and his theory and key terms. Dadabhai Nauroji, drain theory, Renade stream intervention, Mahalanobis heavy industry model, Amrasyan capability approach, Bhagwati emerging growth, R. Krishna Hindu rate of growth, Tendulkar poverty line revision, Banerjee and Duflo RCTs, C. R. Rao, Kramer Rao bond. So these are the complete PDF or class for Indian economist, and if anyone left any you want to add any other economist, write and comment and follow for more. So or one important things for you guys, there is a practice question for all of them, so attempt all these questions और PDF आप टेलीग्राम चैनल से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।